Hi, I'm Alec Vitalk, and today I'm kind of be talking about what factors affect charging decisions and how prosecutors might decide which charges are filed, who gets the charges dropped, and the criminal justice system. The prosecutor holds a lot of power on what happens in the cases. In some cases, the prosecutor might have as much power as a judge, and even in some cases, they might have even more power than the judge. I researched in an article by Samuel Storm on FindLaw.com. I found that prosecutorial discretion is the prosecutor's authority in a case. In the same article, it talks about the authority, including charging decisions. The authority includes charging decisions, plea bargains, the case's overall direction, and these are all things that can affect charging decisions. These things that will depend on how a case turns out, as well as evidence, public safety, resources, and sentencing guidelines, and the victim's wishes. All of the things can have a different impact on how the case will be sentenced. So then, on another article I found by Paul Bergman in 2023, the factors that decide which cases are charged or dropped are the suspect's background, if there was harm in the case, whether the punishment fits the crime, whether the police acted with bias or without bias, the victim's wishes, the impact of persecution, the limited resources, and whether remedies other than prosecution may be more important. All of these factors go into the decision-making process, and using all these different things, the prosecutor will come up with the sentencing, and the defendant will have to decide if he or she wants to take the plea deal, or keep fighting to possibly lessen the sentence, or if they want to plead guilty. As it said in the video we watched for this module, 95% of people incarcerated ended up taking a form of a plea deal for many different reasons. It kind of talked about how the prosecutors might use different methods to get them to take the deal, so there's not as much work and less time. And I just kind of thought that this didn't seem very ethical to me. I'm sure I need more information on this, but that's just kind of was my original thoughts. And so there are many possible ethical implications, as we can see with that. Prosecutors have so much power that they are going to need to be trusted, that they will act fairly. And this would include making decisions based on facts and law. And they can't use their own biases when making decisions or political pressure and even public opinion to ensure a fair trial and sentence. It's kind of to bring everything together and conclude everything. Every prosecutorial discretion is a very strong tool in the criminal justice system. With this power, there's a great responsibility to avoid bias when making decisions, and this will kind of make sure that the legal process is always fair and does the right thing. Thank you.